Lena was born and raised in a small town in the countryside. Her parents were farmers who struggled to make ends meet, and Lena and her siblings often went to bed hungry. Despite their difficult circumstances, Lena was a curious child who loved reading books and dreaming of the stars. One day, when she was 10 years old, Lena saw a shooting star in the sky. She was mesmerized and knew that she wanted to become an astronaut. She told her parents about her dream, but they laughed it off, saying that it was impossible for someone from their background to achieve something like that. However, Lena refused to give up on her dream. She worked hard in school, often studying by the light of a kerosene lamp late into the night. She borrowed books from the local library and read everything she could about space and science. Despite her efforts, Lena's dream seemed out of reach. There were no universities or schools nearby that offered courses in astronomy or space science, and Lena's family couldn't afford to send her to a city to study. However, Lena was determined to find a way. One day, Lena heard about a scholarship program that could help students from rural areas attend university. She applied and was overjoyed when she received the news that she had been accepted. She packed her bags and moved to the city to pursue her dream. University was tough for Lena. She was one of the few students from a rural background, and she often felt out of place. She struggled with the coursework and missed her family dearly. However, Lena refused to give up. She worked tirelessly, often staying up late into the night to study and complete assignments. Years went by, and Lena's hard work paid off. She graduated with honors and applied to become an astronaut. She was one of thousands of applicants, but she refused to let that discourage her. She trained hard, both mentally and physically, and eventually got selected for a mission to space. On the day of the launch, Lena looked out of the window of the spacecraft and saw the Earth below. She was filled with a sense of wonder and awe, realizing that she had made her dream come true. As she floated in zero gravity, she thought back to her childhood in the small town and realized that anything was possible if one worked hard enough and refused to give up on their dreams.